Mama Anthony.
Yes.
Nyawanyiri kaineri. Na nyanyiri ndi bono. Nkau akede, potato, beef, and what again? Mushroom sauce. Oh, ilichanka elakboyo turn out to do Chinese. Ndale be wine Chinese, be alukwa no wine Chinese so. Test and see. Come and test and see. To marry a Chinese wife is a good thing, no? The water, is it enough for them?
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to eat Chinese food. Another one today.
Yeah. They said that's what they like it. They want to eat more. I put akidi.
No, you put akidi.
Whatever material you have, you put. I will not eat any.
You put more sauce, okay?
Yes, the sauce is enough. I'll take out.
Okay. No, it's the one, Maka. No, we're pulling chu. Unless that's no problem. Okay. I will go mad.
Nah, oh, be me say.
I can say na apple.
Wo be me me say.
And when get share na nka akede rice. Ero.
Sir? Did you regret for your son to marry me? I said, do you regret for your son to marry me?
For we are. I don't know. He don't regret. He said, in my next life, I'm still going to marry you.
Put in a prayer.
No, that guy, you are never go.
He's very happy for me to marry you.
Enjoy the food, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, one.
Nehulania. Onye uru ilu nwanyi obodo. Nwanyi Chinese.
Siamo with here.
Benja kwe ngale na.
Nwanyi Chinese nya.
Nka akedi ero and potato here sauce.
About ejibo here. Nwa nguyan. Na. Anya bale pala samba la.
Now it's Martin.